Assalamualaikum. We are from group number 2, and for our AutoCAD project, we're doing fan for CPU. Our group members consist of 5 students, which is Mia Shazrina, Maisara, which is me, Farah Shahira, Harith Hakimi, dan Irman Haris. So for our project, designing a CPU fan in AutoCAD is a complex process that requires a deep understanding of the requirements and mastery of the AutoCAD software, and also a methodological approach to ensure that the fan design is accurate and effective. So, for the next few slides, we'll take a closer look at each step of the design process and the considerations that need to be made at each stage.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Farah Shahira binti Zulsha. Okay, I will explain about product background, objective and scope of project. Okay, firstly for product background, we have several major elements. The first one is consideration for manufacturing. So basically, AutoCAD can generate accurate measurements, limitations and instructions for assembly for the fan. And second one is efficiency. The design of the fan must concentrate on circulation and dissipation of heat efficiency. The next one is material preference. So we prefer to optimization of the design for optimal cooling while also ensuring endurance and dependability. Next, dimensions and compatibility. Okay, so the dimension of the fan must be designed to meet the individual CPU adapter and system requirements. Last one is the elimination of noise. So to reduce noise generation, AutoCAD must be employed to create fan blades with optimized forms and angles. Okay, move on to the next slide is about objective. The first one is to demonstrate skills to draw 2D and 3D drawings in AutoCAD, to develop a precise representation of a fan which may be utilized in manufacturing, to develop an effective and efficient CPU cooling solution, and the last one is to utilize AutoCAD for concise and precise communication of design elements. Okay, the next one is scope of project. Firstly, learn drafting, dimensioning, and 3D modeling techniques that are transferable to numerous engineering and design industries. Second one, may create a small form factor CPU case, fan, or change the fan blades to lower noise levels. Next, utilizing a CPU fan project using AutoCAD allows to obtain project management skills from planning and organizing to implementation and documentation. Next, AutoCAD enables the simulation and visualization of heat dissipation, which aids in the evaluation of parameters such as airflow designs, the heat sink architecture, and overall cooling efficiency. The last one, AutoCAD acquires knowledge by implementing the dynamics of fluids, the laws of thermodynamic and heat transfer. Discover how the forms, size, and configurations of fan blades affect air circulation, the pressure, and the effectiveness of cooling.
For the methodology of our CPU fan project is by understanding the requirement that the CPU actually needed. Uh, these requirements will help guide us to design the process and ensure that the final design meets the user needs. Secondly, research and gather data. We would conduct research on existing CPU fans and their design characteristic in any website that we could find. And thirdly, once we have a good understanding of the requirements, we created a 2D drawing of the CPU fan in AutoCAD. This will include dimensions, offsets, and any other design parameters. And fourth one is we created a 3D drawing of the fan using AutoCAD 3D modeling features or any third-party CAD software. This will allow us to visualize the fan in 3D and make any adjustment as needed. Lastly, we finalize the design for, based on the results of the analysis and testing and create a final set of drawings for the CPU fan. These drawings can then be used to manufacture the fan.
Hi, my name is Haris Hakimi. Okay, I will explain about the design process from this project. Okay, I will explain about the process of design using the flowchart. Okay, the procedure start with a group discussion, and from the group discussion we create the proposal. So the crew has decided to use a CPU fan as a project prototype. So we asked the lecturer that what if we can proceed this project. So the lecturer approached the project. So the next stage is distribute the tasks among the group member. So first we using the AutoCAD to create a project sketch and three dimension drawing. So the drawing must be done in 3D modeling. Okay, next is about the process of design using a mind map. Okay, it outlines the step involved in constructing a project. Began by the establish the prototype concept. So the after that the collaboration among the group members must be created and completing this project. So the next step is the all the group member must complete the design and detail by the 3D modeling and taking the measurement from the financial. So the final step is utilize the drawing specification and evaluation is performed.
Hi, my name is Mia Shazuna and I will be explaining about project design practicality. Okay, as you can see from a full design in 3D, we chose to draw a CPU for fan for our project. So the primary purpose of a fan in a CPU is to provide effective cooling to prevent overheating. Next, the fan design should be practical in terms of size and compatibility with the CPU. I have provided an orthographic view where you can see the dimension of our fan from the top and right side view. We also provide a full section view of our fan to allow for a clear and comprehensive visualization of internal details of our design. Okay, for the next slide, these are the assembly view that will allow us to visualize how all of these components come together to form the CPU fan. We also provide an exploded view to show how each component is positioned and assembled in relation to others. That's it for me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Imam Faris bin Safiza and I will present to you the conclusion. Uh, the conclusion is designing a CPU fan in AutoCAD require understanding requirement, creating precise 2D drawing, developing a 3D model for visualization and analyze, evaluating the design and generating detailed manufacturing drawing. Collaboration and software tools aid in refining the design. AutoCAD facilitates a systematic approach to create an efficient and effective CPU fan. That's all for me. Thank you.